channel Vandagar. We are going to Koltur Lake. We have a trekking for tomorrow. Now we are getting ready and we are going to start. Mashudka is on the way to come and we are ready actually. She's Sahiti, my senior, and you know her already. And these are the tents, mats, and all. And these are bags ready. Finally, we reached the point, but it was so cold there. We knew it before, so we took tents, mats, and bags, and also we just took all of them and set it in the correct places. And this is how the tent is made. All seniors helped a lot to make them. How the final tent looks like, and we would be there for a night. Yay, so excited. So after setting all the tents, we started to cook BBQs, nothing but shashlik. It was so tasty, I loved it. These are sleepy bags, which if you sleep inside, it keeps you warm and you can just stay anywhere in a cold temperature. So this is how it looks like, and I'm just wearing it and all, and I'm settling down to sleep for night. Good night. So it was a morning. I woke up in a disgusting way. My friend asked me to wake up and I said, "Hey, it's so cold. The time is 7:46. So we are going to start for trekking at 8 or 8:30. So we have to go fresh up. I have to brush, and I'll meet you soon. I'll just show you the view. The view was seriously mind-blowing. I just loved it. And this is it. There are the tents which we had for night, and that was Mashudka in which we came here. So I'll get ready and see you soon. After being in cities and pollution and polluted water, I saw something fresh water. It was so clean and no pollution. It was just amazing. We thought to start our journey at 8 o'clock, but to get ready and pack all tents, it took a lots of time. So it's already 10 now. We are starting our trekking. Right from here, we have to go somewhere that side. We have to climb mountain and we are going to see a lake. So I'm taking you also. Let's go. Yay, Rashmita. This is Saiti, as I said before. Hey, hi, sheep. I saw a sheep on the way. Is it there? Oh, wait, 1 second. Yo, there. Let's go. Stopped at a place for taking rest for a while because we were walking for more than half an hour. So there we eat banana too. Yay. So after climbing of 3 kilometers, we are going to rest for a while here for 10 to 15 minutes. Still 4, as per my seniors have said, it's 4 kilometers left for the destination. We'll see what happens. It is a pancake called Eskimo, and this is zebra. It has
White and black lines.
peanuts and dry fruit. That's it. Yeah. Use energy to walk for the rest of journey. From that down to we are climbing to the hill. It's so height, you can see it's a slope. Oh, if I slip I'll be rolling down. We are already climbed 3/4 of the way, still 1/4 left. You guys can see this. 1 second, I'll focus it. Yeah, you can see that river right over there. Yeah, from there we started our journey. Like we are here. I'll show you from the back. Yeah, from there we climbed this way, and finally from here we have to go towards. Here was a so small way to walk, seriously. This place seriously caught my eyes and I just loved it. I could not stop taking pics here and I took many random pics. If you guys are following me in Insta, you can see the pics over here, so do watch them also. Walk like more than 5 kilometers now. I think 2 kilometers left. We just climb from there. And see, this is the view. Yay! As we are climbing up, going on, the nature is becoming so beautiful to see. I just loved it. It's greenery and snow mountains and all, like it's a mixture of everything. I just loved it. Actually, we got a time to rest there for a while, but I was so naughty. I played with the stones and I was crazy there. Everyone was so tired, so I made it a self video. So later I took it and we started our journey back. We started for 10 o'clock, so it's now 3:30. After 5.5 journey, climbing up mountains, getting down, climbing up, getting down, finally I can see my destination. So reaching the location, I was insane. Like after climbing so many mountains and finally reaching this destination, can you just see it? I'll focus on it. Oh my god. I just loved it. It's awesome. Yeah. After reaching the point, I just sat for a while and enjoyed the view, and I was so overwhelmed to see it. As time was passing by, the sun was setting down, and we were running late. We have to go down back to our place, and after climbing for 5.5 hours, after seeing that destination, it was so mind blowing, and I literally lost myself. And I took a lot of photos, and video also. And then now it's already it's already 5:30, so we are heading back towards our Mashutka. Down from there, we'll be leaving back to Bishkek. Oh, I'm missing my flat, yeah. Seriously, for the first time. And here comes Rashmita. She's there. She's coming. Yo. So let's get down. My battery is low, so I think I can't shoot get downing video. So after going there, I'll meet you. Bye. Is getting down, and we are running late. We have to go early as soon as possible because it is a large forest where wolf and other animals are there which are dangerous. So we have to get down fast and quicker. We are trying our best. Let us see what happens. But my battery is dead, so I'll meet you after getting down, I think. Okay, bye. Finally, it became so late, but still, we did not lose our hope. Even after going to the wrong route, we came back to a correct route and we got down and we were exhausted. So, that's it, guys. It's all about what you believe. Believe in yourself. Bye bye. I just enjoyed the trip a lot.